Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Fortnite gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.epicgames.com/Fortnite and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to log into your epicgames.com account if you've not yet, and once you're inside the main home page, mouse over to your profile icon at the top right. From the options, click on V-Bucks card, and now click on the Get Started button in order to redeem your Fortnite gift card. Enter the code available on the back of your V-Bucks card, and once you enter your gift code in the text box, click the Next button and follow through the on-screen prompts. V-Bucks are in-game currency used in Fortnite. If you want to redeem your Fortnite gift card, then you can simply enter your gift code number in this page and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. That is how you can easily redeem your Epic Games gift card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.